Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable scroll bar in Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Accessibility. Then click on Visual Effects. Here is the option Always Show Scroll Bars. So you can turn off and disable by sliding this to off position. So this scroll bar will be disabled. You can turn on and turn off like this. So this is the easy and quick way guys to disable and turn off scroll bar in Windows 11. Click on Start, Settings, Accessibility, Visual Effects, and here make it off. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.